Hi, I'm out here in the garden and today I want to share something that I've learned yesterday, which was really interesting, and that's an energy manipulation exercise. And the way the woman who taught it started off was she said the first, and this is for clearing energy, for if you have a block, if you have something that is stuck, you want to clear that from your system. Now, the first step is she said you go behind your eyes, like you close your eyes and you go behind your eyes in the space in the middle of your head, and you can imagine sitting down there on something that makes it pleasant for you, so you can sit there. And then what you imagine is you, from your root chakra, or basically between your legs to the bottom, you imagine a waterfall or you imagine a water slide going to the center of the earth. And then any emotion that comes up, maybe from your day, there's something that's stuck, you can try it. Go along with my video now if you want. It's very quick, it's very easy. You can imagine that going down that slide, going down that, she called it a cord. I really like the exercise. And you just imagine it going down the cord and you feel it. So you're in that space in the middle of your head and you allow that energy, allow that emotion, whatever it is, to go through that connection that you have to the center of the earth from your root all the way down like a water slide.